Okay. The toilet. No. Bello? Where is the toilet?
Right there.
What? Bello, where is the toilet?
It's right here.
Huh?
Up to you, but you can use it if you want.
And you clean it?
Oh, hell no.
Okay. Nah.
All this music in the air, and I'm lost again. Spring came by and I was late, just too drunk to care. Oh,
A little on the lopsided side.
It's perfect. It was horrible and now it's perfect. You done very well.
Nice.
I can't do it anymore. And all this time I've been so wrong. How can I relate? Now take me to your mountain top. Let me feel again. All alone, I was fading in and out. On my own.
And where is gonna go our art? Here. On the door.
All alone, I was fading in and out.
È nevicato, ho fatto una bufera di neve il 30 di settembre, allucinante. E adesso c'è il cielo blu. E noi facciamo volare il drone. Andiamo! Andiamo a vedere! Dobbiamo andare a vedere che cosa è successo alla nostra porta. Abbiamo pitturato la porta e c'è nevicato sopra. Oh! C'è ancora un pochino di neve. Un disastro. I pini. Cosa è successo qua? Oh! It's not a disaster! Oops! Oops! I don't know what we do there. Disaster. Woo. Let's get. The drone out.
Just do a regular flight and we can do the
Okay.
high up one later. I just want to fly while we got the mountain out.
Okay.
In the park I was sleeping last night, I saw a vision true, coming over the broken land, an angel of light crying, and the tears fell from her cheeks into the cracks and healed the world. It was not a passing fancy, romance or poetry. It was a real and mighty thing, and it took my breath away. And underneath it all was slowly turning, beneath the moon and stars quietly.
Why are we doing this? We're doing this because we keep the bark for start the fire. The stove is essential because it's the only way to heat the house, and at times you cook on it.
So we're using a bunch of birch bark in there. A lot of people like to use commercial fire starters. Barbara. But I'd rather use these. They're full of oil, so they burn really well.
We saw the bear! It was here, it was here, it was there. The bear! Woo, woo, woo! Look!
Careful.
Back! The bear!
Gotta dip my toes in the sea. Walking to your soul, yeah, leaving what you know. Walking to your soul, walking to your soul, walking to your soul, yeah, leaving what you know. Walking to your soul, walking to your mind's blown. Take something back here with me. With that wisdom back, try to hit the right track. Gotta dip my toes in the sea.